Hello everybody, my name is Aditya and today we will be creating the neural network of Jarvis AI. Last time we created the brain, uh, which was easy to understand. I hope if you have done deep learning, or else I will be creating a video, of course. But looked quite small, so people thought maybe you guys will be thinking that, oh, this is the neural network. Oh, it's gonna be easy. Wow, no, this is just the starting. Once we get into the training part, it's a lot of things. A lot of things are going to be there that you might not be able to understand. So I recommend uh, starting to understand it now. So we're going to be importing numpy as np, import nltk, import nltk dot stem, stem dot for porter, not porter, and from that, sorry, I did wrong. From, it should be from this you want to import uh porter, sorry, porter stemmer, yeah. So sorry, we're going to be creating this variable. Sorry, s is going to be capital. Stemmer is equal to porter stemmer, yeah, there we go. So this is a function. Do not forget the parentheses, or else it's not going to be a function. So define tokenize, and then it's going to be tokenizing a sentence. So just wait, I'll be back. Yeah, sorry, I still have cold, so yeah. So tokenize, what it does is that it's gonna be tokenizing a few words, like whatever we say in the sentence, it's gonna be tokenizing the words in the sentence. So let me just, what's gonna be doing? It's like suppose I say, sorry, so hello. So this is our word. So now what's gonna be doing is breaking it down. It's gonna be breaking it down, and then it's gonna be turning it into this. Uh, H E L L O is going to be turning this into this. And suppose I say hello, how are you? So you get what I'm trying to say, right? So it's going to be turning this into H O W. You are able to understand what I'm saying. It's going to be converting uh like words into letters, so you'll be able to understand more. Of course, it doesn't understand letters. It understands binary. All computers understand binary and machine languages. So sentence. Oh, sorry, there's no n. Sentence return nltk dot word tokenize sentence. Oh, okay. So we have the tokenize function done. It's quite small. Next, we have stem parentheses word. Return stemmer dot stem dot stem, then word dot lower. Now another define bag of words. So after it's done with these two, it's gonna be creating a bag which will be storing these words in. Tokenize sen- tokenized sentence. Oh, what's happening? Okay. Uh, words. It should be words, okay, not word, or else it won't work because word is over here, and then words is our another parameter that we're giving it. So sentence words word is equal to stem word for word in tokenized sentence. So bag will be equal to np dot zeros, not zero, zeros len words, then the type which will be equal to np dot uh, float 32. uh, for one second, I'm not able to see anything. Yeah, for a d x comma w in in what is happening? uh the problem is that my keyboard is not working properly. Create words if w in sentence, sentence word, a sentence word with what? Oh yeah, uh bag, then idx which will be equal to 1, and then return bag. So just run this and then check if it's working or not. It should be working, or else okay, come on. Okay, it's running. So it's fine, it's completely fine. We have completed the neural network, the brain and the neural network, which was quite a huge accomplishment for us. Next, next video we're going to be creating the database, which is going to be in intents file. So let me just create the file, intents.json. So in this, we're going to be creating the database. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.